मेकअप आर्टिस्ट विच इज अगेन अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ वेडिंग प्लानिंग। तो आपको हमेशा आपके पास बहुत अच्छे अच्छे मेकअप आर्टिस्ट के रेफरेंसेस भी होने चाहिए और हमेशा जो भी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट को भी आपको अपनी ब्राइड से अपने क्लाइंट से डायरेक्ट मीटिंग करानी है सो डेट दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर द प्रोडक्ट्स दे आर गोइंग टू यूज, ये कैसे अप्लाई कर रहे हैं। एंड ट्रायल इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वो जो भी जिसको भी चूज करती है उससे ट्रायल करना भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। Nowadays there is a lot of freelancer makeup artists जिनको कोई अपना सलून कोई आउटलेट की ज़रूरत नहीं है, वो सिर्फ वेडिंग्स में या इवेंट्स में फ्रीलांसिंग मेकअप कर रहे हैं। दे हैव देयर वैनिटी, उनके साथ होता है, हेल्पर होते हैं, वो जाकर वेन्यूज़ में या घर में जहाँ भी हमारी वेडिंग है वहाँ पे जाके और वहाँ पे मेकअप करते हैं। In case of destination wedding, they used to stay there for 2 days, 3 days with us. So it's always suggested to hire a freelancer makeup artist, क्योंकि आपको फिर हर इवेंट के लिए सलून में जाना, वहां से रेडी होके आना, वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है। इसीलिए फ्रीलांसर मेकअप आर्टिस्ट का स्कोप भी बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ रहा है। And today we have a very popular makeup artist with us. She is having years of experience in bridal makeups and in all kinds of makeup. She is going to share very important tips which we should keep in mind while meeting bride and bride's family. So let us welcome Miss Richa.
Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good and you all are safe. Hi Smita, and thank you for having me on this show today. Let me introduce myself to you guys. I'm Richa Verma. I'm a professional makeup artist and I'm into this industry since last 12 years. I specialize in bridal makeups. I'm very excited to be on this show today as we are going to be discussing a few very important points for the brides to be and for the aspiring makeup artists. There are a few key points which one needs to keep in mind before choosing the right makeup artist. Number one would be, I would suggest all the brides to go through the portfolio of makeup artists, go through the pictures, go through the videos, see the kind of work a makeup artist has done in the past, and then you can shortlist the makeup artist according to your choice of makeup. Second one would be the experience a makeup artist has in this industry. Number of years she's invested in the makeup artistry. Also the number of brides that she's done, number of party makeup she's done. That would definitely give you an idea about the quality of the work that you're going to be having on your wedding day. Now an experienced makeup artist can only know the right amount of product that has to be on your face and the right look that is going to be suitable for your different occasions. So yes, experience does matter when choosing your makeup artist. Now the third thing is setting up your budget. See, it totally depends upon how much you are ready to fork out from your pocket. So yes, the pricing of the makeup artist depends upon how many looks are you wanting to have, the kind of look that you're looking for. Whether you want high definition makeup, you want airbrush makeup, the destination of your wedding also, and how many days you want the makeup artist to be there for your makeups. So all this would decide the pricing of the makeup artist. Do keep in mind an experienced makeup artist would be charging you a little bit higher than the other makeup artists, and my piece of advice to the brides would be that do not hesitate in shelling out a little extra money from your pocket, because this is your day. It is only going to come once and you have to look good on your wedding day. There are going to be pictures, there are going to be videos. Yes, it is extremely important to book a trial with your makeup artist in advance, because it is that time when a makeup artist sees your hair and your skin in person. He can decide on the looks that is going to be the best for your different occasions. Also, they can try different lashes, lip shades, different products which is suitable for your skin tone. Also, they can inform you about the kind of treatments that you can go in for your skin, for your hair, so that they look nice on the wedding day. So, and it's always important to pre-decide on your look so that there is no time wasted on your wedding or on your mehendi or reception. If the look is pre-decided, it does not create any confusion at that time. So I would suggest all the brides to be to definitely book a trial session with your makeup artist. Do communicate with your makeup artist on WhatsApp or on calls or video calls. Do communicate with them, telling about the kind of looks that you're interested in. There's a lot of scope of a makeup artist these days. Our industry is flooded with makeup artists, and there's work for each one of them out there. And there's so many fields in makeup these days. You know, you can go for televisions, you can go for news channels, you can go for movies, you can go for fashion, runways, editorials, you can go for theaters, you can go for bridals, which is the big market these days. So yes, do try all forms of makeup. As a beginner, do not be so choosy about picking up one particular field. First, try your hands on everything. Like, I'd really like to be a bridal makeup artist because that is what I'm passionate about. I feel really happy when I dress up a bride and to make her look beautiful on a big day. I've also had my hands on almost everything, fashion, television, movies, everything I've done. But finally, I decided that I wanted to become a bridal makeup artist because that is what I am passionate about. In the same way, my advice to all the aspiring makeup artists would be, please try all forms of makeup till you decide on one particular field which you are passionate about. My advice to all the brides to be out there is to take care of your skin and your hair. Drink lots of water, have a lot of fruits, have good balanced diet. It is very essential for a healthy and a glowing skin and healthy hair. Also, do communicate with the makeup artist. If certain product doesn't suit you, do inform your makeup artist. Also, tell them about your past experiences, good or bad. That is really going to help you for your wedding day. That is really going to help your makeup artist to give you that right look on your wedding day. So please do keep in mind all the tips that I've told you. I hope you like the points that I've mentioned in this video. And also, the aspiring makeup artist, I would always want to say that keep working hard, and I hope you're going to succeed in life. Thank you everyone. I totally enjoyed giving this session, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I loved sharing with you all the tips and important points which were extremely crucial for the brides to be and for the aspiring makeup artist. Do follow me on Instagram at richa_makeup. Till the next session, do take care, be safe, be good. Thank you. Bye-bye.